Well, hello, model car fans. Welcome to the Muscle Car Modeler. My name is Ral, and this week I'm showing you my Ecto 1A from Ghostbusters 2. And I'm building this kit, and my boy, he's seen Ghostbusters and really got into that movie this particular Halloween season and watched them all, and all four of them even, and really enjoyed it. I like the Ghostbusters. I remember seeing the first one as a kid and the second one. Really enjoyed those movies, and of course, this is a character all its own in the movie. And so I had picked these kits up and kind of looked for them, kept my eye open for them. So I've got both of them, and my son knew it, so he wanted to see it, and he's been bugging me, "Daddy, we need to build this. Daddy, we need to build one of them." And I'm like, I want to do it nice, so you can build it with me. I'll piece in a photo or two of him helping. But we got to working on it, and it's a simple kit for the most part. If you built this kit, it's kind of cool. It's really big. I don't know if it's gonna actually fit in like my wall display cases, but um, I'm having a lot of fun doing it. But I've shown kind of a teaser on it. Here's the interior I started to work on. It's primed, and started to brush paint some of this stuff. And I've been slowly working on areas of it, the bumpers, the decals. Here's the dash. But I mean, I really got to work on the interior. But I'll show you what I have done, though. We did paint the body, and I used the same 59, the white paint from my 59 Corvette build. I had plenty of that because I had some left over, and I used it on the 59, and I also used it on the 60 in the coves. And when I had to repaint the 60, I had to buy more of that white paint. So the coves do not take much paint at all. But being it was a 59, Chevy color, and it's white, and you really don't know, the actual color of the Ecto one, because it was repainted for the movie, if they used the original white or not. So this is ermine white from Scale Finishes, the actual 5960 paint. So I used it on this, and then I painted the red on there. It's all airbrushed, and got the decals on there, and we clear coated it. So this has a real automotive clear. So it's completely cleared and ready to go as far as that goes. Got some fingerprints on it. But Ryan and I, we brush painted the inside of it, and he really helped me. So I have a photo of him helping me with that, sitting on my lap, and that was a lot of fun, just guiding him. But if he gets it on the side here, fingerprints, it's really easy to get it off of this automotive clear, because once it's dried and hardened, it's pretty durable stuff. So, and then we'll paint the headliner in there gray, which is probably overkill because I do plan on having the windows tinted like the real car, so you're not going to be able to see much of the interior with all of that window tint on there. And so I'm not stressing about how much detail I'm going to put in the interior. But I did paint the wheels and foil the hubcaps. I stripped the chrome off of those. Look how long this chassis is. And just quickly hand painted the manual transmission and the exhaust pipes and leaf springs and gas tank. So I've got aluminum brush paint on there, and then steel on the tranny, the gas tank, and the leaf springs. And I did the steering linkages as well. Understand that 59 Cadillac's engines are like a dark blue. I really haven't painted that yet. You really can't see much of it, and it's kind of hard to do. So I'm probably just going to leave it black, because I really just got to paint the sump and a little bit on the sides. You can't see too much of it. So haven't really decided if I'm going to do that. And I still need to do the lettering on the tires. But the tires are glued and they're in there. So that's ready. And then I started working on all the stuff on the top. Now, it's not really my best job because, I airbrush the white, and I'm brush painting the black, brush painting. So a lot of brush painting on everything here. So airbrush the white and just doing all the detail painting. And it's going to be kind of hard to do all of this stuff, but I'm just having fun doing it. That's part of it. Just getting it in there and painting it yellow, and kind of looking at the reference pictures, kind of excuse to say, hey, Ryan, we need to do some research. Let's put the movie back on and watch some of the scenes with the car. But YouTube is really good for that. Got the tank here done. So, and then that's the same white, but not clear coat. So it gives it a little bit of a different color. Same thing with the antenna here, and brush painted the black on it. May do a little bit more cleaning up to that. And then whatever this thing is, it says to paint it red. I believe I got to paint this red too, and I missed it. I was reading the directions, and it tells me that that should be, I believe, red as well. And then the signs here, these are, and they give you 4 of these, and then you can put the decals on and change the signs out. And they're also reversible, which that's kind of interesting. You could do it either way, but I think I'll put them in there, and I'll have one side say Ghostbusters and the other one says whatever it says on the other side, which I think it says we're back. So there's a bunch of those, and then of course the other 4 here. So I'm working on this one, another piece of the rack. I'm not even sure what all of this stuff is. It's kind of fun to do all of that, but getting it put together and painted. This one has just kind of been work on it here, work on it there, do a little bit here and there, and let's go put that over there. But yeah, this is definitely a big one. Of these was broken, and I had to glue it back on and get it in place, but I got it in place. Kind of a mock-up, but as it is, Ryan wants to play with it just like that. It's like, yeah. They have the lights and sirens for it. I'm like, I don't know about that. I thought about it, and it's going to be fun to wire all that stuff if they, if I did it. There's a company that makes that stuff and wire it in and the sirens and everything. But I could just imagine he's playing with that and the battery going dead. Just a lot of work there. And the directions are pretty cool too. I'll have to build the other one too and see which one builds easier. But it's just kind of a lot of fun, and one that I'm just doing a little bit here and a little bit there as I need. And then I picked this up. I'm going to try. Here's just a scrap of window tint. You should have seen the tinter's face. I said, hey, can I get some scrap? He's like, you need some scrap window tint? I'm like, yeah, if you got, a section here that I can play with and try, I'm going to give it a try. So, he gave me this, and he's like, I'm like, well, I'm going to try and use it on a model kit. And I've heard of other people doing it, so I want to give it a try. And he said, well, just be careful, because this is kind of meant to be heated and conform to the glass. Heating it on glass is not a problem, but if you got to heat it on the plastic. But all these windows are flat enough that I really don't have to do it, but I'm worried about these corner ones. So this may or may not work, but I'm going to give it a shot, and we'll see if I film that. But that's the next little step here, playing with this, and then get the interior all detailed out, because not a whole lot of pictures of this, not really sure how accurate it is. Love the computer here, and some of the gizmos and gadgets in here. But through all of that tint, it's going to be really hard to see all of this stuff. But I shot it in primer, and it says chunks of this are primer, some of it's gray or black, and so reference pictures aren't all that great, but I'm not stressing about it or too worried about it. I'll probably follow the directions and paint it and just kind of have some fun with it. But my boy's loving it. I'll probably stitch in some of his video that he was making comparing the two. So I'm going to put that at the end here and let him, in his own words, play with them and explain. You can see that footage. It's older footage from before I started this kit. But he wanted to play me and be on the camera and all that. So enjoy that. But thank you for everything, and thanks for tuning in and subscribing and all your comments. I really appreciate it. And if you get a kick out of it, enjoy it, and just let me know. But you guys, you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you next Saturday.
Well, hello, Monica fans. Welcome to my musical Momwood. My name is Ryan, and today we're gonna see the parts of Ghostbuster 1 and Ghostbuster 2. Now let's see what's in Ghostbuster 1. Whoa! Spooky! Ah, it's time! I think I got smart! Now that's the stickers and the hood. Ah! It's like the ghost. The down. You see how that opens up Now this one opens up differently. Just look at it here. Now, does it come with demands? Bonus question. Oops, sorry. Now, this is the body. See the little dots? And it's freshly spayed right for you.
Don't put them in the other box. Don't mix them up.
Well, this one goes in that one.
It did? Okay.
Yeah, because look. That one has it in a bag.
Okay.
And this one is the first one. It's in a bag. Freshly sprayed white. Just like the other one. And when we set that, it's not going set. Whoops! Daddy, can you help me?
You trying to take it out or put it in?
I'm trying to put it in. It goes with that, but this goes first. Let's see what's in the first one. I'm taking everything out of the first one. I set the second one, Daddy. Oh my gosh. And then, of course, the advertisement. Okay, so what am I gonna do? Here we go. Let's just look at the magazine. Oh my gosh. Let me look at that. Not that. That. Not that. That. Not that. That. Not that. 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 Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, that's too scary. Scary. Too scary. Oh my gosh. Scary, scary. Scary. The bottom wall is all scary. Okay, that please. Ooh, this is not scary. Well, that is. That's definitely dying scary. Oh, too scary. Nothing else is scary. Okay, to the page. Look at this. And then another magazine. Oh, that's spaceship. Okay. Oop. Skip that page. That page too. Now, I need to tell you that I have that one. Totally do. And I don't think I told you I have that one and that one. I'm looking at the magazine that they gave us. Ghostbuster 1. It's pretty spooky. It has all the ghosts. Now we're gonna see this. Okay. Now bunkers. Now we're gonna look at the instructions. Oh my gosh. Dad, I didn't know, but this is unexpected.
What is it? How it opened?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's different. Nothing wrong with it. It's just different.
I know. Anyways, Dad, are we gonna do some of it?
Build it?
Yeah, some of it.
No, not right away. We can soon. You want to do it together?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to do it right now.
Well, we're gonna eat dinner and then go over theirs. Remember?
Just one step. Just the first one. What's step 1? Daddy? Which one of this is step 1?
Well, this side is English. It really isn't a step 1 the way they made this.
This.
This one's a little different as far as how it's...
Well, all that we need to paint
Well, I'm going to paint the whole thing.
the whole thing.
Yeah. Is this still filming?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm going to finish your video and then we can just tell...
Now just
You can plan your...
put it in like this. So pretty good. Next, we're gonna see the second one.
That one I think will be a little bit easier to build. Maybe do that one first and then do this one
Oh,
the second time.
this one is easier because look, step 6.
Mm-hmm.
Step 5. Step 2.
Just hit the camera over there.
Oh. Well, this is step 1. So can we do step 1?
I think the first thing we need to do is watch a little bit of Ghostbusters and see what color it is and all the insides of the car.
We're gonna watch some Ghostbusters, okay?
It's called getting reference material. We can watch the movies. You gonna say goodbye, everybody?
Bye, everyone.
Thank you for watching.